Well, good afternoon, welcome back to the channel, guys. Motorhoming fun. It's probably not very fun at the moment, guys. We got very strong winds and that. We're on currently day 6, guys. If you didn't know already, we're staying at Darfan Ross at Malfrey on Anglesey. So we've had a morning where we've just been walking the coastline, and we had a couple of nice drone flights, guys, so go and check them out when they're available. And we thought between the rain showers this afternoon we'll come and have a little wander on the beach. It is extremely windy. You think today was more like October or November. As you can see, we've got a waterproof hat on, which is almost blowing off. So we're just coming and have a nice bit of a playtime with Sky. So we'll spin you around and you can have a look. Right, so this is Lligwy Beach, which is, as I've told you before, it's just out of the campsite, literally 50 metres from where we've got our pitch on site. There is a nice little cafe just outside the door of the site, which is key coded all the time, so no strangers can get in. And that is closed today, Wednesday and Thursday. Tomorrow we're off to a new campsite further up Anglesey, up towards Holyhead Way, Blackthorn Farm. So yeah, making the most of this afternoon. So at least we managed to get 2 drone flights this morning. Wind wasn't too bad, but it seems to have picked up more now. So we'll see you a bit further on the beach walk. Right, we're going to try not to drop and lose the ball launcher today. Yesterday, oh, it was everything happening, guys. We're packing things away in the rucksack, and I could have swore I'd picked the ball launcher up, and hey ho, I realised I hadn't. But then, as you can see, this beach is huge, and we went around for about 30 minutes trying to find an orange ball launcher which blends in. Well, it was this one, guys, so it must have blended in with the sand, and we eventually found it. Little paddle here through the water stream. I don't think we've been down on the beach where the sea has been so far out, so we're just going to have a little wander right to the far end. Just keep our eye on the rain clouds if they come in quite quick. As I say, I'm not too sure what we're going to be up to at our next destination. Having booked it, I thought it looked good, but it seems to be in the middle of nowhere, unless we want to drive somewhere. I think we are quite close to the coastline, where obviously there might be some nice walks, but as I say, we'll make the most of it, whatever we do, guys. As I say, anything is better than being at work. So look at those dramatic skies. Just keep panning around for you. And this is British summer. Last weekend you were basking in 30 degrees plus. We were in Anglesey last weekend, not Anglesey, Llanberis, North Wales, and we had about 18 degrees. So this guy's saying to me, "Come on Dad, play ball."
Like wind in our sails. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh. We are dreamers of the shore.
As you can see, we've come a fair way now. Probably a good half a mile in on the top of the beach.
7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just
So we're going to head to the water, to the seafront now.
wait for our home to show.
So the sky will go in.
Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore.
To be honest, it's quite calm here.
If we just hold
I didn't put the backpack on with the drones and I'm regretting it now, so I might go back for an hour and then come back down, get a last drone flight, possibly here, although we do want to do one at a campsite, but I'm going to leave that until tomorrow morning, quite early, stick the Mini 3 up, a little bit quieter. Right, we found some water. My girl happy? So there are lots of seagulls about, so you do have to be careful when drone flying. They do dive bomb. You probably know the best thing to do if a seagull comes near is to fly straight up. Apparently seagulls can come down quick and dive bomb you, but they do have trouble going vertical, so that is one thing to be prepared for when you've got seagulls around. We're filming in 4K this afternoon, guys. I upped the quality up a little bit on this internet. Upload speed is pretty good here, so we should be able to upload this no problem. The only reason I do is 1080 is it takes a lot of space up sometimes on your computer, iPads, and if the internet is not strong enough, I can be uploading for 24 hours, so this should be hour and a half at the most, and that's you're probably seeing this many days behind where we're actually travelled to now. I'm guessing by the time this goes to air we'll be in Harlech or even Barmouth. Got quite a few videos at the moment. I'm trying to put 2 out a day, one general vlog and one drone footage video. Be nice to get some more people on board, subscribing, commenting, liking, hit that bell ding dong for any latest updates. There's an awful lot of my original subscribers for some reason don't come to the channel anymore. Please tell me why. Have I upset you? Thing is, guys, I'll keep watching your YouTube channels, you watch mine. I'll comment on yours, you comment on mine. So, as I've always said, it's not all one way. Feel free to post in the Facebook group, Motorhome in Happiness. Another pan round. Ooh. On a sea angler's line then we were.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess it should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowing. Soon you know.
You can probably see that jellyfish there.
Let me speak the truth.
Looks like there's no, keep away Sky. And another one there guys.
But I can see past the rain.
Quite a few actually.
Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach.
Right, so we'll almost walk the length of the seafront bit now. We'll walk all the way back and then we'll probably come back in half hour and weather permitting, see what the winds are like. No rain. See if we can get a bit of a drone flight down this seafront end.
You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flames.
Right, so we're starting to head off the beach now. Hope you enjoyed that little beach walk with me and Sky. And that's so, as I say, tomorrow's a travel day. We shall leave about 10:30. We're going to pop into Tesco's or Morrison's at Holyhead, pick up a few fresh supplies. We need milk, bread, etc. And that, French bread, donuts, you name it, anything nice. And then we'll head over to Blackthorn Farm, and then we'll do the little normal thing, little site walkabout, and then hopefully have a little walk later in the day. So we'll I'll see you tomorrow, guys, on day 7. Go and catch up on all the vlogs, what you might have missed, and definitely those drone flights. Some of them are quite stunning, dramatic, some nice music with them as well. So yeah, bye for now, and we'll catch you all soon.